convenience package, auto-dimming mirror, iForce 57L V8 DOHC, 4WD, alloy wheel, Bilstein Shocks, DVD navigation system with backup monitor, engine and fuel tank skid plates, front tow hooks, leather seat trim with off-road package, off-road tuned suspension, power tilt and slide moonroof, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, sliding rear window with privacy glass, and TRD Off-Road Graphics. Are you still driving around that old thing? Come on down today and get into this reliable 2008 Toyota Tundra. You, out using this trusty Tundra, would be much better than it's sitting here, idly on our lot. It's ready to get some work done. Come get it! Designated as Motor Trend's Truck of the Year for 2008.